Welcome back to the channel. I'm V. Kiran Vashit, music producer. Today we are going to dive into a world of keyboard exploring of both basic level and Carnatic level. So the styles between the two types. Let's begin with the Carnatic keyboard first. It's a design to accommodate the unique aspect of Carnatic music, which is major type of Indian classical music. This keyboard supports scale, notes specific to the Carnatic tradition. So a lot of people they used to ask, how can we play a Carnatic music in keyboard? Yes, of course we can play a Carnatic music in keyboard because everything is structured on the ragas and scales and rhythms. So if you know the Carnatic music, you can able to play the entire world music. So this is actually a true. So now let's get into the point. Players typically use it to produce the integrate melodies, rhythms, characteristics of genres. On the other hand, we have a Western keyboard. So what is Western keyboard here? Western keyboard, this is what the most familiar with. Yeah, it is a versatile and used across various music genres like pop, rock, classic and jazz. The Western keyboard often includes a feature such as a weighted keys and digital interface that provides vast array of instrumental sounds. Sorry, excuse me. So this primary difference between these two types of keyboard is the musical tradition. They are designed to support an artist. So the choice is yours. So either Carnatic or Western, both should be good to learn. Actually, the interest should be the progression here. So, but my personal suggestion, if you are learning a Carnatic, we can able to create Western musics also. So understanding the intricacies of both can open up to the world musical possibilities. Yeah. So how it happens? So let's see. So whether you are interested in the soulful sound of Carnatic music or the broad spectrum of Western music, learning this keyboard is a rewarding journey. So you can able to understand the notes very clearly while learning the keyboard. Yeah, of course you can see the notes directly and you can play a melody so easily. If you have a question or if you want to learn more, just leave a comment. I am there to answer you. So thanks for watching. Namaskar.